Hi, welcome back to the Simple Web Start channel, and in this video we're going to talk about web hosting for beginners. Before I get into that, just quickly, thank you for the people that subscribe to the channel, and also a special thank you for the people that have signed up for the web hosting. I do appreciate that, and also I look forward to helping you build your website online. If you've got any questions, then obviously contact me and we can go through it together, and we can sort that out for you. And also, if you feel it's a silly question, then don't worry about that. I'm more happier to actually help you sort the problem out. So web hosting for beginners. So when you've actually signed up for your hosting, there's just a few things that you need to put into place which will become helpful for you. So I thought, well, if I run through that with you, then you'll know what to do. So first of all, when you've bought your hosting, obviously you'll need to log in to find your actual template. And to do that, if you go over to your control panel, and then what you'll need to do is go on to Web Tools. Now, because I'm in the demo, you won't see the site builder, but when you log into your real account, you will actually see two buttons here, and then you can actually go into your template. So that's the first one that you'll need to do. Secondly, when you're in your template, I would suggest that you go over to your settings and go to general settings and then look at your email. This is the email that you've set up when you set your hosting up, so that just check that that's correct. And then as you scroll down the page, what you'll also need to do, I would suggest, is put on maintenance mode. Now, the reason I'm saying this is when your domain is there, sometimes you may link to a domain or a particular domain, and it can show funny things up. Whereas if you switch maintenance mode on, you can change this, put, sorry, schedule maintenance for your domain, and we're back shortly, and switch that on. And then if somebody accidentally puts the domain in, then it will show this up while you're actually building your website. And then also the other thing is you'll need to set up the SSL certificate. And if you go back onto the channel and you look under, just scroll down and you look under simple video lessons and click here, and then this will bring how to set your SSL certificate up. It's quite simple in the video here, just click on it and it will take you through what you need to do. Also, the other thing that I would suggest you do is set an email box up. This is not the email that you've set up with your hosting account. This is an email for the actual website. And to do that, like I say, you'll come back into your control panel, go to email, mailbox, and then you'll create a new mailbox, add in there info, help, or whatever. And depending on how many domains you've picked, just click on this and then you'll be able to put it under the domain you want, put your password in, and then just add your mailbox as well. So that's just a couple of tips really, just to keep everything in place while you're just starting to actually build your website. Also, as you know, you can come on here, there's other videos as well. Just go back and just go on simple video lessons, and here you'll find all different lessons which I'm still adding to it, and you'll be able to go through them and actually know what you need to know. But again, I know I said it before, but I'm here to help, and if you need that help, then please contact me. Anyway, thanks a lot, and I'll see you on the next video.